Well, talks between the government and the opposition have failed. The Congress and the opposition parties remain adamant on the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. They have declared that they will not allow Parliament to function unless Pradhan resigns. This comes even after the government acceded to the opposition's demand for a debate in both the houses starting at 12 p.m. today on the NEET paper leak and student protests. However, the Congress and opposition are now insisting that they will not let Parliament function without the Education Minister's resignation. Let me go across to my colleague Anand Singh for more on this. Anand, this is obviously now a deadlock because the opposition seems to be wanting a resignation before they want a dialogue, and they are, even though the government had agreed for discussing this in both the houses of the parliament at 12 p.m. today, the opposition is adamant that they want the resignation first.
Yes, Shivani, look, even yesterday, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, along with several of the India bloc leaders, he had met with Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to have a detailed discussion on the NEET paper leak issue, to which Rahul Gandhi had even mentioned yesterday that the Speaker said that he needs to ask with the government that whether this issue can be taken up. And then when Rahul Gandhi had sat on sit-in protest outside Prime Minister's residence, even MOS Dr. Jitendra Singh had arrived there to hold talks with Rahul Gandhi, but that both talks yesterday that had failed. And even today's sources have indicated that once again the talks between the government and the opposition parties have failed once again, as the opposition parties are adamant that before having a discussion in Parliament on the issue of NEET paper leak, first resignation should be taken off Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. This is the decision, and very harsh decision, that has been put forth by the opposition parties, completely going by their protester style, the way in which they are trying to corner the government, as they have clearly said that they are not going to agree for the discussion on NEET paper leak issue without resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. Very strong demand put forth by the opposition parties in Parliament when the talks were held once again, and again the government will try to hold talks, mediate between the opposition and the government side, so that there can be a discussion in Parliament through some amicable way, some amicable formula that they can chalk out. So all the discussions are going on as of now, but sources have indicated that the talks have once again failed. We have seen two talks yesterday that too had failed when MOS Dr. Jitendra Singh had met with Rahul Gandhi outside the residence of Prime Minister's residence, as well as when Rahul Gandhi had met with Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla in his chamber yesterday. So the way in which the opposition parties have raked up these issues, they are not going to budge down, as they have said clearly that they need the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Then only discussions can take place inside Parliament.
All right.
Back to you, sir.
Anand, I'll request you to stay on with us. We have some more breaking news. Congress